Welcome back to LGS Cars, the home of future legends and bold innovation. When automotive creativity meets French flair, the result is pure excitement. Introducing the all-new 2026 Citroën C4, the stylish hatchback crossover that doesn't just turn heads, it starts a revolution. Bold design that dares to be different. In a world flooded with look-alike SUVs and conservative hatchbacks, the 2026 Citroën C4 breaks free with a design that refuses to conform. It's not a traditional hatchback, it's not a typical SUV, it's a fusion of both. Bold, expressive, and unmistakably Citroën. New LED lighting signature, the redesigned front fascia features a sleeker double chevron grille and Citroën's signature V-shaped LED DRLs that create a futuristic and assertive presence. Fastback roofline. The coupe-like sloping roof is both aerodynamic and eye-catching, blending form with function. Customizable personality, available in up to 7 two-tone paint combinations, with 5 unique alloy wheel options ranging from 17 to 19 inches. The 2026 C4 is as expressive as its driver. Interior, comfort and technology, a la Française. Step inside, and you'll find one of the most comfortable and uniquely designed cabins in its class. A true Citroën hallmark. The brand has always prioritized ride comfort, but now it elevates that comfort with futuristic tech and premium materials. Advanced comfort seats, now with memory foam layers and wider bolsters, offering unmatched long-distance relaxation. Digital cockpit, a fully customizable 10.5-inch digital instrument cluster, complemented by a 10-inch floating infotainment screen with Citroën's smart interface and voice assistant. Premium touches, satin chrome finishes, eco-friendly soft-touch materials, and optional ambient lighting that changes color based on drive mode. Tech that learns you. The new My Citroën Drive Plus interface is smarter than ever, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offers OTA over-the-air updates, so your infotainment system evolves with you. Integrates Citroën AI Comfort Coach, which learns your driving habits and adjusts the cabin temperature, seat settings, and suspension profile automatically. Electric, hybrid, or petrol. Your choice. Citroën understands that drivers have different needs, which is why the C4 2026 is offered in multiple powertrains. C4 Electric. New 54 kilowatt-hour battery, up to 420 kilometers of real-world WLTP range, 100 kilowatt DC fast charging, 0 to 80% in 26 minutes. Regenerative braking and eco-driving modes, PureTech Petrol, MHEV, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, focus on efficiency with up to 22 kilometers per liter economy. Blue HDI diesel, still offered in select markets, tuned for long-range fuel economy, lower emissions and improved refinement. Rumored C4 GT line, dual motor setup with AWD 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6.5 seconds. Sport-tuned suspension. Driving experience. The magic carpet lives on. Citroën's trademark ride quality gets an upgrade with progressive hydraulic cushions, 2.0, new generation dampers absorb road imperfections better than ever. AI predictive suspension uses camera and navigation data to pre-adjust suspension settings in real time for upcoming bumps or curves. Drive Assist 2.5, enhanced semi-autonomous system with adaptive cruise, lane centering, and stop-and-go traffic assist. Practicality meets style. The C4 remains versatile. Boot space, 380 liters, seats up, and up to 1,250 liters with rear seats folded. Flat rear floor maximizes passenger comfort, optional panoramic sunroof and smart electric tailgate. Pricing and rivals set to start at around 26,000 euros in Europe. The 2026 C4 offers tremendous value. It's aimed directly at rivals like the Renault Arcana, VW Taigo, and Hyundai Kona. But with its ride comfort, design flair, and multiple powertrains, it may have already outclassed them. Final verdict. The 2026 Citroën C4 is more than just a car. It's a creative expression on wheels. With bold French styling, outstanding comfort, and intelligent tech, it carves its own lane in a market full of conformity. Whether you go electric, hybrid, or petrol, one thing's for sure. This C4 is a true modern classic in the making.